first step is you're going to take your pigtails. You don't need this one, so I just cut it short. And then you've got your power, you got your ground. Pre-measure your wires to reach the distance that you want to connect to the converter, inverter, whatever they call it. You're going to first strip your wires. You're going to add your connector. First, trim that. Give it a tug, make sure it's tight. I like to twist this end first before I put it in. Crimp it down. On to the next one. You're going to do that 4 times. Take the ground from each side. One from each side, twist them together. Slide it in your connector. Make sure you can see it coming through that end, so then you know it's in there far. Crimp it real good. Give it a tug. I like to tug on both. Good. You'll just do that twice, because you're going to take the 2 power cords from each side, one from that side, give you 1, that's the power, and then you got your ground from each side, combined. Now we're going to hook it up, put negative wires here. Positive here. Let's be positive, you hear? Boom. Tighten down, not too tight, just snug. Now let's plug it in. Boom. Vanbull.